Thanks for staying with us here on News Desk. Let's bring you some more stories on COVID-19. The Bono East Region, which is currently one of the 3 regions with no cases of COVID-19, is embarking on enhanced testing of groups at higher risk of being infected with the virus. This, according to the Regional Health Director, is to ensure that the region remains COVID-19 free. He disclosed this to JoyNews. JoyNews is announced a bit after the Directorate received a cash donation of 20,000 Ghana cedis to complement government efforts in the fight against the pandemic. There's more in the following report.
The Bono Ahafo Catholic Cooperative Society for Development, also known as BACSOD, has, as part of its corporate social responsibility, donated a sum of 20,000 Ghana cedis to help the Bono East region's efforts to fight the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic. Presenting the sum in check to the Regional Health Management Team, General Manager of BACSOD, Madam Alice Kupo, indicated that the move is to complement government's efforts in ensuring that the region wins the COVID-19 battle.
Concerning COVID-19 that we are talking about, we've seen it as one of our areas, one of our objectives, so that if it is a sickness which is actually destroying the lives of people, affecting government coffers, people are unable to work, then it is a concern for us to see what we can also do to support the government. So at the end of the day, we think that there is the need for us to contribute something small to complement what the government is doing, so that the government can actually reach out to a number of people with regards to testing and even getting some PPEs to support the whole process.
The region, which is one of 3 yet to record a case in the country, is embarking on enhanced testing of groups who are at higher risk of being infected with the virus. Regional Health Director Dr. Fred Adumako Boateng disclosed this to JoyNews.
If you look at Bono East, for instance, we were classified as very low risk because there was no case. And because there was low risk, no case, we have to do what we call enhanced testing. The idea is that, look, if you look at COVID-19, some people at a higher risk, they are very likely to get the COVID-19. And who are they? People who are stationed at a place, like the food vendors. They are always there. A lot of people come to them, like maybe cargo drivers, commercial drivers. Almost they are taking a lot of people. So if you are looking at our risk people, they are likely, if there is a disease in Bono East, they are likely. So this is the discussion and the thinking that we are doing, that look, can we look at some of them and then really test?
Dr. Adumako also indicated that the donation is timely as the region is being faced with financial restraints, especially in transporting suspected samples to the Kumasi Center for Collaborative Research.
If you look at the testing sites that we don't have some in Bono East currently as we are speaking. So if you take the sample, we have to transport it to where? To KCCR, to Noguchi, to UHAS. You need fuel. And we know that these things were not budgeted for. They came as an emergency. Even when we are moving from one place to another to take sample, you need fuel. You see, and these were not plantains. So this will really help us in addressing some of these logistics issues, money here and there, transportation here and there.
On his part, Deputy Bono East Regional Minister and Member of Parliament for Techiman North Constituency, Honorable Martin Otijako, called on the corporate world to extend support to the regional health team in order to complement efforts being implemented by government.
I think it will go a long way to help us in fighting the COVID-19. Other organizations, social corporates have contributed to this fight, and we still ask that people should come in support so that we can fight the COVID-19. Being financial, material, or any other form, we are ready to receive it so far as we can use it to fight the COVID-19. We welcome it.
Reporting for JoyNews, Anas Sabit, Techiman.